Today, I'm going to show you how to save a ton of money shopping here at Dollar Tree versus buying on Amazon. You can use cell phone rings for more than just phones. Let me show you a hack. I'll remove the ring from the container and I took off the little lanyard piece. Next, I'm going to put it on the back of the remote in my bedroom. And now here's the fun hack. You're going to need any sort of command hook. I had this one already at my house. I'm gonna put a command strip on the back and put it on the edge of my nightstand. Then I can use that ring to hang up my remote, and it's an easy place to store my remote. I always know where it's at, and it's easy to put away at night. I have a hack you can try using garden S-hooks in your kitchen. In a previous Amazon video, I showed you a hack for adding a hook underneath your cabinet to store your bananas. So I've been using this hack and I love having the bananas over here, but I was trying to think of a way I could do it with Dollar Tree items. Now I found a 2-pack of these S-hooks, and this you don't even have to screw into your cabinet. You can just put it on one of your handles and then place your bananas on. So this is a way you can store your bananas so they're out of the way. Dollar Tree has a wide selection of collapsible bins, and they're so much more affordable here than if you would buy them off of Amazon. They're only $1.25. I have a cabinet by my front door where I've been organizing different items. I thought these would be perfect to put in here to put all of my different shoes. Right now, I just have them down here and I'm not able to put too many shoes, but if I add in these bins, I'll be able to store quite a bit more. Do you remember back in the fall when I filled up this blank wall in my basement with a gallery wall from the poster store? It turned out so good that when my daughter asked me for some artwork above her bed, I went straight to the poster store. And I want to thank the poster store for sponsoring today's video. They have a great selection of all kinds of prints and posters. If you scroll on their website, you're going to notice they have so many to choose from. My favorite section to look at is the gallery wall inspiration. My daughter wanted a pink Paris theme for her print, so we selected this one. The poster store makes it so easy to add all these gallery wall prints to your cart, and they even show you the exact frame you would need for your print. If you're in the US, your package will arrive within 2 to 4 days. I took all of the frames out of the packaging. I went with this lighter oak frame. I then matched all of the posters that I picked out with their frames. The poster store has so many stylish prints and frames in a Scandinavian design. They have new collections that are launched every Tuesday. One of my tips when I'm hanging a gallery wall is I like to lay it all out first on the floor. That way you can really see your design and move it around till you're happy with it. At first I thought I was going to put all of the prints above the bed, but when I put them out, I decided I wanted to put some above the bed and some on the side wall next to the bed. Once you're happy with your design, you can start hanging it on the wall. I started by hanging my first frame that went on the side of her bed just to kind of give me a good basis because it was going to be in the middle. I'll just add a nail to the wall to hang up my prints, and I'll work my way from the middle out as I'm hanging up the prints. The best thing about the poster store is they have such a wide selection of prints in different themes. So you could do something like a nature theme that I did in my basement to something like a pink Paris theme that I'm doing in my daughter's room. All prints are printed on high quality and sustainably produced paper. The poster store is currently offering an awesome discount for my followers. Use code Liz for 45% off prints and 10% off frames and personalized prints from the poster store until May 6th at midnight. I'll put the links to get to the poster store down in the description box. If you don't own a fancy label maker, you can use whiteout to help you label around your home. Just add some whiteout to the front of anything that you want to label. I labeled these clear acrylic containers. Let it dry completely, and then using a Sharpie, you can write in what's in the container. You're gonna have to let me know if I'm the only one who didn't know about this next hack. Have you been using cleaning vinegar? I've just been using regular vinegar. I heard that it works really well to clean your glass in your house, so I'm gonna get this to clean the mirrors in my house. So I'll fill this up with about a half a cup, a fourth of a cup, and then I'll fill it the rest of the way with hot water. I don't know if it cleaned any better, but it definitely worked great. Let me know what else down in the comments I should be using to clean with the cleaning vinegar. I was really hoping to find this Brillo dish spray. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Dawn Power Wash. Now, if you don't want to spend money on that, get this for $1.25. This Dawn Power Wash is typically my go-to for washing dishes, so let's see how the Brillo stacks up. I have to say the Brillo dish spray worked great cleaning my dishes. It also cleaned my stove really nicely. It's shiny and ready to go. So I would definitely recommend picking this up for $1.25. This year I've noticed Dollar Tree has come out with so many new cleaning products. I mean, just look at this aisle. There is a ton. Someone recommended this Dollar Tree washing machine cleaner. Let's test it out and see if it works. So this washing machine cleaner comes with 3 pouches. You're supposed to put it in your washing machine and put it on hot water setting and run it on a normal cycle. It's supposed to help reduce any residue or odors in your washing machine. At Dollar Tree, they have so many frames. You can actually use their clear acrylic frames to organize in your kitchen. So you can get these 4x6 ones, and I'm gonna use them to organize my spices. So I found a drawer where I could fit 2 4x6 frames going across. I do have a Dollar Tree bin on this side for some of my scissors, and then I'll put 6 in this drawer. From there, you can add in your favorite spices, and the cool thing is they sit up at an angle, so when you open and shut the drawer, you're gonna be able to see all of your spices. Last time I was here at Dollar Tree, I found these reusable Ziploc bags and I've been loving them. I have a perfect hack you can use with these. When you're using these reusable containers, you'll have to wash them after each use just to keep them clean. So I like to wash them with some warm soapy water, but when you dry them, there's a lot of different ways you can dry these. One way is you can actually stick it onto your backsplash tile. It will hold up there until it's dry, and then you can just put it in a drawer. Another way you can do it is just stick it over a cup that's drying as well. Now, as you can see, my backsplash is getting pretty wet from the Ziploc that I stuck to the backsplash. So if you're not wanting that to happen, I'd probably just go with the cup method. Dollar Tree has these great new beach totes again this year for $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have this like teal one, there's a pink and a deep rich blue. Now I have a hack that you can actually use these in your closet. So after I wash my face and I have a washcloth, I don't want to throw it in with all of my laundry in my dry laundry basket. So I thought a hack you could try is to get a hanger and this Dollar Tree beach tote, put it onto your hanger, and then I can just hang this up in my closet. I can throw any washcloths that are wet or my makeup pads that are wet in here, and that way I'll just grab them out whenever it's time to do laundry. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is hacks. You don't have to spend a lot of money buying your travel containers on Amazon. They have smaller ones in packs like this for just $1.25, or they have larger ones that come in bags. I love wearing a 2-piece set, but if I don't store them together, I'm gonna lose one of the pieces. So I find that getting these hangers here at Dollar Tree is a perfect hack. So for this scarf hanger hack, you're just going to put your clothes on here like normal. So this is a 2-piece set. So I have the top, and then these are the shorts. There's a little hook right here, so you can just hook on your shorts. It's gonna keep your entire set together. Don't forget to pick up a pair of $1.25 tongs for your next birthday celebration.
Let me show you how to use them.
I saw this hack on TikTok where someone said the perfect way to cut up your birthday cake is by using a pair of tongs. I want to try this and see if it works. So I have Dollar Tree tongs. Let's try it out. It actually worked pretty well. The Dollar Tree tongs have this lip here, so it makes it a little bit harder to cut a straight line. I bet if you had a pair of tongs that went straight down, it would slice it a lot better. I want to see how easy it is to pull out a second piece. I don't know, this is a little messy and quite a bit of cake is on these tongs. Let me know if this is a hack you would try.
I have a Stanley dupe alert here at Dollar Tree. Look at these water bottles, only $5. So if you don't want to spend the high dollar for the Stanley, grab this one.
Have you guys seen one of these silicone snack caddies? They're really cool for your Stanley style cups. This is the one we picked up at Dollar Tree today. And I don't know if I told you this, but this was $5. Take one of these snack caddies and I'll link to it below. You just press it down over your cup like that so you can fill it up with snacks on the side. So if you're watching TV or doing different things, you have all of your snacks.
I get so excited when I find expensive makeup items here for just $1.25. I found these Real Technique makeup sponges that are so much more if you buy them somewhere else, and I found 2 different varieties.
So I first thought these Real Technique sponges were for putting on foundation and makeup application, but they're actually for cleansing your face. So it says on the package that you can use the smoother side when you're cleansing your skin, and then there's kind of more of an exfoliating side that you can use to exfoliate your skin. I'm gonna try these out and see how I like them.
I always find some of the best deals at Dollar Tree over in the beauty and makeup section. For example, this Ego Tools cleansing mitt is so much more expensive on Amazon. You can get it here for $1.25. It works great to take off your makeup at the end of the day.
I love how this sponge, you can just put your hands in there and use it to cleanse your face. It also has a hanger, so if you wanted to hang it up in your shower, you could do that as well.
This gua sha massager is another item I bought off of Amazon, and it's so much more affordable here at $1.25.
So I wanted to show you the difference between the 2 gua shas that I have. This is the one from Dollar Tree, this is the one from Amazon. This is definitely a lot more substantial, and I was also noticing that it has like this deeper ridge here, which is great for whenever you're kind of just trying to get underneath your chin area. So this one doesn't have that. So I'm gonna try this one out, but I don't think I'm gonna like this one as much as the Amazon one, so I'll probably stick with the Amazon one.
Let me show you some products that I've bought on Amazon that I have now found so much cheaper here at Dollar Tree. This is a beauty blender holder, and this is actually better than the one that I have off of Amazon because this one comes with a stand. So when you're done using your beauty blender, you can put it in here, and the cool thing is it's got these air vents. So when you put your beauty blender in here, it gives it a chance to dry.
This is really perfect for holding my makeup sponge. I feel like this is my favorite find from today.
Here's a tip when you're shopping in the makeup section here at Dollar Tree. If you find a simple container like this that just says eyes and it doesn't have a lot going on like some of this other packaging, that means it's been repackaged from another store. Dollar Tree has so many great nail finds, and you can find things from regular nail polish to gel polish to acrylic press-on nails. I found this nail stamp plate, which is going to be so fun to try to use to do this fun little butterfly design on my nails. We'll see if I can get it done. Hopefully it works, I'm not really sure. Now in this nail section, be on the lookout for name brands. We were able to find a Sally Hansen gel nail polish for $1.25. We also found a Kiss brand gel nail polish, again, just $1.25. I just spotted these spa bath salts, and I have bought these on Amazon before and they are way more expensive. They're sulfate free. They have them in 3 different scents. I'm gonna be picking up the ones in the lavender, but even if you just had these in a jar, they would look so pretty. Over in the toothbrush section, be on the lookout for this brand, this Firefly brand right here. There's several different varieties, like this one right here. We looked it up and it's so much more expensive at other stores, just $1.25 here. If you're shopping at your local Dollar Tree, you may notice that the price on the drinks at the front of the store have gone up. Now, I can't tell you the exact prices because all of the prices vary depending on what you buy, but be on the lookout for that the next time you go shopping. I'd love to know down in the comments which item I found here at Dollar Tree was your favorite, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.